Hi everyone, this is my channel Walk of NVK. In this video, I have tried herb style eye makeup. So let's start with me. First, I'm making my base with a nude shade. I'm making my base with a bit nude dark shade. Making a crease with a dark brown eyeshadow. While you are doing the herb style makeup, especially eye makeup, don't forget your eyes should be lifted. All makeup should be lifted. Giving shape to my outer corners of the eye. And now I'm taking the golden eyeshadow. Now I'm taking golden glitter eyeshadow. Also applying the bottom of my eye. Now it's a turn off. Now I'm applying the liner. Liner also should. Now liner also should be upwards and long. And I'm also using the kajal. Not so much a perfect. Now the kajal stroke should be perfect. One line. There it is. This is herb eye makeup which I have tried. This herb eye really look rich to your eyes and change your whole look. Hope you also try once to your eyes and change your whole look. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you very much for watching.